All right, let me tell you guys about this 24-ounce Tronco glass container with the lid. It's microwave safe and it's spill proof. It's seal proof. You can pretty much put anything in this thing. It's has this rubber, so it doesn't slip very easily, even when it's on the countertop. Pretty nice. It's made of glass, obviously, and this rubber is very sturdy. You can tell it's of quality. And for me, I'm just gonna put some snacks in here. This little trail mix, because I'm a truck driver and I'm gonna put this in my truck, and I know it won't basically move while I'm driving or anything like that, or I can just keep it in my lunch pail, really. But yeah, I mean, you can think of so many things that you can put in here. You can do a meal prep. It's a pretty good size, which I like. But yeah, the one thing that I like the most about it is that it's microwave safe, because you always want to warm up your food sometimes if you're on the go. So yeah, it's pretty nifty. And I hope that this little review helped you guys. And I wanted to just say thanks to Tronco for sending this over. I definitely will be using it. But yeah, enjoy, guys.